All right, good morning, everyone. Let me turn on my fucking camera, and there we go. It's like forgetting one little thing. Hope everybody's having a wonderful, fantastic little morning. We got here. We'll go over some setups that we see. We're going into the New York session. And then from there, I'm going to head on out. So we had a nice little run up overnight, or just a little grind up literally overnight. Similar on futures right now. Actually, let me go over crypto real fast. Crypto is looking okay. I will say that crypto's looking okay. Not a huge fan of these 4 hours, but man, what can you do? Oh, they just opened up new ones. They did open up new 4 hours, I think, on this. Yeah. 8 a.m. 4 hour. That makes sense. Actually, far out lows. So on the 4 hours, I'm not the huge fan of it. Like dailies, I'd still love to see those outside weeks happen on a lot of these names. I took some longs on Doge. I'm in a small position. I'll show you. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. I'm like, dude, I don't know which way it could fucking go, but this is pretty much the position that I'm in on Doge. This is what I'm looking at target wise off of the hourly. But man, I don't know how they want to play these shits, because if ETH is reversing, if market is reversing right now, right? This is what I was going to say. So overnight, had this grind up. London session takes out the top. Then we draw our little line of OTE. I just took some shorts off of this fair value gap. We shorted it down. I fucked off. I'm not touching the markets anymore this week unless it's crypto. Of course. Our favorite. And I'm also in some Feds off of a similar setup. Right here, if you guys are trading, you can try, since they swept the previous day low. They had this. There's your little OTE guy. So you could probably get 2 right there and then put your stop right there. And then it's probably going to S&D this whole day. With the way the London Asian session interact, this could be a good S&D day where it's seek and destroy, right? Because Asia session was consolidation. London session took out both sides, so we can expect New York to do a similar thing. Like, right, they can do another manipulation. Like, I won't mind that. It's fucking trading on paper. But in terms of us sweeping that previous day low, I really love to see that. So this could this has the potential of doing either like this, and then like some shit like that, or the other way around, right? We got news in 20 minutes. So they can just rip, drop, and whatever way, right? Whatever way they want to play this. Sorry, I got like fucking a little hiccup guy. So on cryptos, I did hold some stuff overnight, but you saw the price action. Let's look at some of these names that we always look at, like Doge, Sheeb. Yeah, if they want to rip it into the weekend, I'd fucking absolutely love that. I would not mind that at all. And I would love to position myself accordingly to, if we're talking about ripping fucking faces into the weekend. So these on the 4 hours are looking okay. I'm not the biggest fan of these dailies right there, but the fact that we have broken up above these highs now, it's kind of looking a lot better than it did before. So like this right here, maybe on Doge, this is on the 4-hour time frame. Maybe on Doge we can come back and retest this level to continue up. I'm just like, these LRLRs and the way that ETH is behaving now. I guess ETH is doing the same shit that everything else is doing in terms of the alts. Like I'm thinking they do a deeper retrace than, not on ETH, on like Doge, Sheep, those names. I'm thinking they could take it all the way back down to those previous or those daily opens, and then from there it does whatever the fuck she wants to do. I'll set some alerts on these prices. So like this breakout high, I'll probably add an alert right there. Add alert trend line, crossing, create, so that whenever price comes to this alert, or it comes down to this line, that'll be a nice. Oop, what the hell did I do? Man, see me go back. That will be a nice spot for us to continue up and out of, honestly, because if we take this right there, that will technically be the OTE of that leg up if they don't continue up. If this is going to be a nice, like a 4-hour reversal candle, which they've done this too many times, where they like put in that fucking disgusting candle and then just rip through it, right? Maybe not this time. Who knows? This could still give us a rising 3 and, pop it off. But this just like LRLR kind of thing. Similar thing that they did right there. Maybe they do one more like leg where they clear some of this shit up. Maybe even take it nice and deep right there to that previous day and then continue up, right? And look, right, there's the other manipulation leg. So we could possibly measure this if this turns around. I'm probably going to be pretty hands off on today and wait till tomorrow's open, to be honest. I'm not like I said, not the biggest fan of this over here and how they're taking these. Like these hourly retraces kind of are. Well, this is a new 4-hour. Hold up. So new 4 hours have opened up. Yeah. I mean, I think I'll stand by. I'll stand that ground of a small retrace into some area down here. And if it doesn't, then that's completely fine too. Maybe set some limits and then we go from there. But that's what I have on these. I don't know if somebody's got something different. I don't know, World, what you seeing. If you're looking at these, what you think on these weekends. If you guys like these, give it a like, give it a share. Make sure you check out www.papertraders.io. There's going to be an exciting little announcement made today on the Paper Traders page, so make sure you're following them at the Paper Traders and turn on your little bell notifications for that. Turn on bell notifications for me and Shane so that you stay up to date of when we are going live. It's because we do post a schedule on the Paper Traders, but we also let you guys know through our personal Twitter. So like, hey, we are about to go live. So check that out. Give us a like, give us a share. You guys comment down below what stocks or things you want to see more of on these streams, less of on these streams. We're all about trying to grow, trying to improve. So any feedback, we'll take any feedback. We got the Doge dancing too. Where was I? Yeah, check out the website. So www.papertraders.io. From there, you'll be able to find all the tools that Shane has created, all those free tools. So We got the trader log, so you're able to track your trades and see how you're doing, kind of keep a little journal on it. ICT trainer, if you're looking to learn ICT and just kind of follow through, helps you track your progress of the courses and how you're progressing through those. You got the risk calculator that will help you determine your risk in the market, position sizing, whatever, depending on your account size. We got like crypto, we got, futures on there, you name it, stocks, and it'll determine the position size for any of them. What else do we got on there? We got the candle creators, just a fun little tool to play around with, see how it's doing. We have a weekly little pass that you can check out for $9.99. I mean, it's cheaper than a shitty little fucking foam drink from what place I'm talking about. We have a monthly. We also have 2 lifetime spots left as well. Let's check those out. Make sure you stay up to date with the paper traders. We might have another giveaway of sorts, perhaps. We had just had one where a member won a lifetime subscription, so I'm sure they're pleased about that. And if you do get the lifetime subscription, if the prices do go up in the future, you're kind of locked into whatever price you got it at. You're not going to be throttled or anything like that. Check out Blowfin. Check out our little partners. Love them. Big shout out to Nate. So if you use the code Eddie, or if you use the code Haste, you'll be able to get a nice little deposit initiative on there. You get some cash back. And we have a very, 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 very exciting announcement to make when Shane wakes up, and we'll make a post about it on the Paper Trader. So big shout out to all the guys at Blowfin, Nate and Jay. Check them out. That's what we're using for trading. We're going to do, there's a few videos that we have planned that are kind of related to that, and you'll know more details about it once we do our things. Let's see right here. She's looking for, like we said yesterday, 21,135, 25 break, and that's going to be gross for us. Other than that, I think that's going to do it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching. If you guys enjoy these, as always, give it a like, give it a share. Greatly appreciate that. Appreciate all the support. Check out at Hayes Beats on Twitter. Check out my Nathan_Blowfin, I believe. Check those guys out. Check out at Big Timmy Hedge. Phenomenal guy, phenomenal trader. He's in our community. Check out ES Benji. Great guys all around. We have a great community, and thankful for it. But on that, ODM world, what up? Yeah, well, if you just woke up, I don't know how I didn't get that first message. Well, if you're just waking up, dude, thank you for being here. Straight out of bed to watch Eddie do some streaming on crypto. I love that. Thanks, man. All right, guys. We'll see you all on the next one. Most likely tomorrow morning is when the next one's going to be. We're going to be doing some birthday celebrations tonight with Mr. Shane. And then that's it. Peace out.